How to fix PowerShell keep popping up randomly in Windows 11 or 10. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial. And on today's video we will see how we can fix if PowerShell keep popping up randomly in Windows 11. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, click on the search icon and search for a task manager. Open up the task manager. Once you have opened it up, navigate to your left-hand side and click on Startup Apps. Here, under this piece, search for Windows Terminal or PowerShell. Once you have located it, right-click on it and then click on Disable. Once you have done that, now you can close this. Now, go to the Start icon. Here, search for Services and then click on Services. So under here you have to search for Windows Update. Scroll down and look for Windows Update. Once you have located it, you have to double click. Now here under Startup Type, click on this drop down and click on Disabled. Now once done, you will notice the stop is now activated. You can click on Stop and then click on Apply and then click on OK. After you've done that, now you can close the services again. Now again navigate to your search icon and in the search bar search for Windows feature. Then click on Turn Windows feature on or off. Here look for Windows PowerShell 2.0. So scroll down and there you find Windows PowerShell 2.0. You have to uncheck it and then click on OK. Wait a while. After that, you can close it. Once you're done with that, now you have to restart your device. After you restart your device, your problem will be solved. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.